Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming. Today, I would like to present my paper. The title is Resilient in Single Motherhood, a qualitative exploration of maternal determination and child-focused expression. The big one is single motherhood has become an increasingly prevalent family structure worldwide, influenced by factors such as divorce, separation, and with parenthood and decision to rise independently. This phenomenon has significant socioeconomic and psychological implication both for the mothers themselves and for the children. Single mothers frequently find themselves navigating complex and demanding circumstances as they strive to provide for their families and nurture their children's development. The question: what are the experiences, determinants, and outcome of resilience of among single mother, and how to maternal determination and child-focused expression contribute to resilience in the face of socioeconomic, emotional, and familial challenges. State of the art scholars increasingly acknowledge that the challenges faced by single mothers were shaped not only by their parental status but also by other intersecting factors such as race, ethnicity, immigration status, discrimination, and disability. Understanding this intersecting dimension of identity was crucial for developing interventions that were inclusive and responsive to the diverse needs of single mother and their families. Researchers sought to move beyond the visit-based narrative that portrayed single mothers solely as vulnerable or disadvantaged and instead highlight their strength, self-reliance, and capacity for growth. By reframing the discourse around single motherhood in more positive terms, this approach aims to challenge the stereotypes, reduce stigma, and foster a more supportive societal response to single mothers and their families. Understanding this intersecting dimension of identity was crucial for developing intervention that were inclusive and responsive to diverse needs of single mothers and their families. With the increasing integration of technology into everyday life, there is a need to explore how digital and technological resources can support single mother in building resilience and accessing support network. Research could investigate the influence of online communities, mobile application, and virtual support group enhancing resilience and well-being among single mothers. We use quality method with literature interview, the variable resilience, organization, child focus aspiration resilience, the analysis thematic uh, with the maternal discrimination, coping strategies, aspiration procedure, factors important for the research. There are four themes of resilience: maternal discrimination, coping strategies, and focus aspiration. The discussion: maternal determination and resilience, the significance of maternal determination as a driving force behind resilience in single motherhood, highlighting its role in motivating mothers to persevere despite challenges. Social support network, the importance of social support in enhancing resilience among single mothers, considering the various forms of support, emotional, instrumental, informational, identified in study. Reflect on the adaptive coping strategies employed by single mothers and their economies in managing stress and anxiety. The implication of single mother aspiration for their children will being and success, raising the potential impact on children outcome. Conclusion: maternal determination emerged as a driving force beyond this decision, motivating mothers to overcome obstacles and prioritize their children's well-being. Social support network play a crucial role in fostering resilience, providing emotional and informational support to mothers facing adversity. Additionally, adaptive coping strategies enable single mother to manage stress and adversity effectively, contributing to their resilience and well-being. Thank you.